What's going on, everybody? Today I'm going to show you how to replace the remote battery in your 2013 Nissan Frontier. Okay, to replace the battery in your Nissan Frontier remote, you're going to need a flathead screwdriver. All you're going to do is you're going to split this case open, get your flathead screwdriver, you're going to end up sticking it right here in the slot, and you're going to give it a little bit of a pry. Okay, you can see how the remote has opened up. Okay, I'm going to open it up all the way, and we're going to turn it down like this with the buttons facing down. Then we're going to remove it. You can see the back half of it is what holds the battery. Take your flathead screwdriver, just pry it right out, and you'll see right here it says positive side down. Positive side has a big plus on it. So the battery size is going to be a CR2025, and if you need a new battery, I'm going to leave a link in the description box for new batteries. So when you get your new battery, it's going to take it, and remember again, the positive side facing down, stick it right in there. You get your two halves, stick them together, and all you gotta do is just squish them together, hear it click, and you're all done. Well, if the video was helpful, I'd really appreciate it if you like and subscribe. You guys take care, be safe, have a great weekend.